In my hands, I have one of Sony's newest gaming headsets by their brand Inzone. There were 3 different headset models released, the first being the H3, which is wired only with 360 spatial audio. The H7 headset has the features of the H3, but it's completely wireless, and the H9 headset comes with the additional feature of digital noise cancellation. I went ahead and picked up the H9 headset, which in the box, you're gonna get a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the headset, in addition to a PS5 to PC adapter. I understand people aren't crazy about having to use an adapter, but this will allow you to connect your headset over a wireless 2.4 gigahertz frequency in addition to using Bluetooth. That means you can connect the headset to multiple devices at the same time. With that out the way, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use and set up this headset in addition to seeing how the microphone sounds. Let's get into it. The first question we want to answer is, what devices does this headset work with? Well, that'll be for anyone that owns a Mac or Windows computer, as well as those of you guys that have a PS5 or PS4 console. Setting up the headset couldn't have been easier, as all you have to do is switch the wireless adapter to the device type that you plan on using and plug it on in. Then you're going to want to take your headset and press the power button for about 3 seconds on the bottom of the right ear. If you're someone that's using the PS5 or even the PS4 with this headset, then you can actually pair the headset via Bluetooth to your computer. So you can press the Bluetooth button on the bottom on the right side of the headset. That'll enable the pairing mode, so you'll see your headset blinking in blue at the top, and then just go into your computer settings and select this headset, and now you're going to be able to hear both your computer audio and the PS5 audio at the same time. I was hoping I could get Bluetooth audio working on my phone as well, but I didn't have any luck on my Android or iOS devices. As for the microphone, it'll work with whatever device you have the wireless adapter plugged into, because if you're someone using this headset with your PS5 and your computer, you're only going to be able to use the microphone on your PS5. You're going to need to select some other microphone or connect a separate USB microphone to your computer if you want to chat with people in Discord, as the microphone can't be used on 2 devices at once. But man, I wish it did. Here's a test of the microphone on the INZONE H series headset. What do you guys think of the quality? Let me know right now in the comments section below. And I have the Pulse 3D headset on hand as well. Let's hear what these sound like in comparison. This is what the audio sounds like on the Pulse 3D headset. Keep in mind, the Pulse 3D headset is still $100, and you get the wired and wireless features, where if you have the comparable H3 headset, that is also $100, but it's only wired. And back on the INZONE headset, you guys pick who the winner of this one is. The audio quality while playing games using this headset was quite good. I could hear enemies' footsteps pretty clearly when they were nearby. It wasn't anything super pronounced, but it was enough to be able to tell where the enemy was to make a move on them. Playing a battle royale like Fortnite was also a good experience, as I was able to hear activity from a far distance away and even footsteps as close as somebody hiding in a bush. Now, if you're someone that plays on a Windows PC, you can download the INZONE Hub software off of Sony's website. I've also left a link in the description below. With INZONE Hub installed on your computer, go ahead and launch it, and here you're going to be able to customize different settings for your headset. So one of the main ones being the sound profile. This is where you can choose how you want your audio to sound like when it's coming through to you. You can see here that there are some equalizer presets such as bass boost and music video, but you can also customize and set your own, modifying the low tones and the high tones according to your preference. If you want more profiles, just go ahead to the edit icon, and then you can create additional profiles to your liking. Below the equalizer, you'll have the ability to turn on and off spatial sound, which is pretty cool to be honest. Below that, you can adjust the dynamic range control, which you can adjust to make your sound easier to hear. If your microphone isn't flipped up in the off position and you have it down, you'll be able to control your microphone volume. Adjusting the side tone will control how much of your own voice you'll hear in real time within your headset. Up and to the right of that, you have your master volume control. You also have a control within the software and as a physical button for the game and chat balance. Now on PC, a cool way you could control this if you go into your voice and video settings is that if you go to your output device, you should see within your outputs 2 different INZONE devices. One of those is for chat, the other one is for the game audio. And now you can set how loud your Discord audio is to your game audio using this control. Above that, depending on the H series headset that you have, you'll have the ability to enable noise cancellation or enable ambient sound, or just have those features turned off altogether. For the H9 specifically, the noise cancellation works pretty well. I was testing it in this room and it was able to alleviate the droning sounds that are in the background of my house. Now, fans you can still hear from your computer, but at least it takes away that flatline background noise. The headset build quality itself feels really solid, and it also fits well on your head, and it's easily adjustable if you need to do that as well. If you're using this headset directly with your computer, I'd still recommend having a solid microphone that you can use for streams and recordings if you're doing that. Hopefully that helps determine whether or not this headset is really for you. And there's lots of different headsets out there, guys, such as the Astros and the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. You definitely have your options, but after using the INZONE H series headset for quite a bit of time here, it's definitely a solid option. If you're a PS5 streamer that uses a capture card and you're trying to use a wireless headset with just one microphone as a part of that headset, then check out the video on screen right now as I show you in detail how to do that. Besides that, make sure you hit the video with a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.